fear, but their pathetic little lives disappear. No friends, no future, just rage to sell. Building their bridges straight to hell. Running in a hatred, drowning in their lies. Pathetic little trolls, the jokes they despise. No one's even watching, no one's keeping score. Keyboard warriors lose us to the core. They dream they're invincible, cloaked in the screen, spewing their filth, their words obscene. But the law's creeping closer, the noose is tight. Justice has an IP. Good night, good night. Click clack goes the keyboard, their weapon of choice. A chorus of failure, a pitiful voice. Tough guy online, you'll never catch me. But now they're in cuffs for harassment spray. Running in the hatred, drowning in their lies. Pathetic little trolls, the joke.
Welcome everyone, good morning, good evening or good night. Live here from when you get free pizzas, when life sends you lemon pizzas. What stops you from celebrating the release of Linux kernel 6.13 from the best 5-star bar in town? Nice creative background music today here for this necessities for successful and superior living. So Linux is out, means Linux kernel is out, means we want to update this. We will, of course, we're professionals, we wait until .1, but pre-testing, why not? It's a nice after-work party. You know you made it when you get free pizza home. So that update, right, yeah, forgot. And welcome everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you are doing fine. Because we certainly do very fine. In contrast to popular belief. Yeah, I guess next I need a portable display for necessities for superior presentation. We don't have wine, we will order whiskey. So, good evening. I would like this Scottish whiskey, please. Thank you. So where were we? Itanium. Of course, we are professionals and prepared here in our Discord. Also Lenovo, shout out Lenovo, ThinkPad, amazing stuff, right? Touch stuff, everything works. Right, do we probably, I mean we could try, so we have various patches. The thing is, it usually ain't that easy to just update that. Maybe, I think currently I don't have working copy changes in here. Just or did I not commit that? What's with this patch here? Ah, this is just properties. By the way, the display might be slightly, I can't nicely monitor that. Question there, ahoy. Moin moin. Are there any interesting changes? I mean, usually it's still Linux, right? And I pointed this out today. I find it a little bit silly that they don't have a proper changelog, right? I have nothing major. Also, when we need, when we commit something, I forget Subversion sometimes auto-detects stuff, so it auto-detects some property application, MIME encoding property. So I wonder how this translates to Git though. I mean, you know what? Basically, we don't need this. Like YOLO. I think it's just like let's not bother our Subversion history with that. So Linux hotfix, big endian stuff disabled, and that one did not work anyway. So basically, let's basically just RM this. What did we just? That one here. And then, so the Itanium we will later change. This will not apply. I think Frank already, Thomas and Frank usually rebase those. The Git tree I did show you a second ago has it already. Maybe we pull this later. So for now we will temporarily test how much builds, so T2 target. So let's verbose build T use kernel. Alright, I wanted it is silly. I think there is usually not, I mean, okay, maybe there is a summary on Phoronix, but maybe there isn't. I hear. So, but for me, surprisingly nothing major. Also, by the way, how's the audio? Should we do this more often? Live streaming from strange places where nobody finds you. Hey, Zudo Frames. So yeah, they have here changes somewhere. Was this not made in source? So ironically, in my opinion, this is the best summary usually. Where are there? I think these are the previous. I don't think this is the latest kernel. Why is this so amazing sites and then it lacks in simple navigation? I'm pretty sure. I mean, they also have LW, Linux Weekly News, merge Windows things. So ARM64, Linux virtual machines, confidential compute, ARM user space shadow stacks, S390, virt.io resizing virtual machines, virt.io mem, split lock detection, MIPS, multi-cluster input controllers. Yeah, as usual, improvements through a million changes. Because they removed Maple, maybe something we don't. Yeah. So Maple, I'm not sure. Maybe even I don't have. Yeah, the thing is, I mean, it's so much what you want to summarize, right? It's a million things, but nothing too mission critical. Thank you. So cheers. Actually, is kernel newbies actually good for newbies? I would say so. It's definitely a very valuable resource. Actually, so many people always ask for books. Yeah, websites, right? I mean, at least summaries. I'm not sure if, I mean, at least changes. I don't know if what other, I usually go there for just the Linux kernel changes. So what more do we have here? Failed exec mem. Oh, that's unfortunate. So I'm now lost in Lenovo AI. This is why. Because I remapped the. Because yeah, Lenovo being Lenovo. That's interesting. I mean, let's maybe first. Let's just delete it. So this was mostly for Spark. Like maybe they fixed something upstream. I probably should position this here more carefully. Okay, that is, that is Itanium. What a surprise, we just deleted our Itanium. So, and they also, okay. So again, of course, we will not give up on Itanium. I just, after work, like we want to see how much more changed. Like first gather a summary and then. Okay, that is also what do we unmatched fans. Yeah, again, not mission critical, just my fan hackery. Yeah, if you have 100 patches, eventually they will all fail. Okay, this is probably for real. That I imported. This was it up next, or that was some CRC upstream CRC stuff. Yeah. Oh, this is all the rest applies. Wow. Okay, let's just test build a little bit while we go to our beloved Itanium tree. And Linux. What a time to be alive. You know you made it when after work you can work on the Linux kernel. Some good Scottish whiskey, but drugs are not good for you kids. Good stuff, you. Good stuff, but don't do it home. So check out basically this here. And then git log. So the only thing is this tree has a couple of SCSI fixes and maybe other things. And maybe even my page table work. So what we do now is we go here to... It's a lot of IA, okay, so this is in general starting to build, that's good. What do you mean Windows for subsystem for? Why do you say this? Like we are live on freaking a Lenovo ThinkPad. Shout out to Lenovo, my greatest supporting company, for loaning us this amazing stuff so long to live stream from public places. And good evening. So that's in building. That's starting to build. However, I just remembered we also had the Riser FS unmounts. It's basically, of course, we neither leave SGI Itanium, PowerPC, Spark, God forbid Itanium or Riser FS behind, not because we love criminals so much, but because we want to access our old things. So restore Riser, restore or either we call it restore or we call it undelete. Let's see if that applies. So that is basically, I just saved that. So what that was simply did this, I think I saw their config parallel. Why are we airing a VR? We are in a stylish bar. How do you meet ladies or gentlemen and have fun? Why? Because we got 42 free pizza. We made it. We are someone. We are VIP and famous. How do you go to a bar without a tie? So Riser FS. They say they can't maintain it. It's like here, it's already applying. Then Itanium. And also, why are we with a tie and with a whiskey? Because unlike other memes like Elon Musk, we know how to enjoy life. So, documentation stuff here. I believe the last time, I think it diffed correctly when I did git diff. This hash, right? This should probably give us, at least it worked. It's probably time for the story when in Moscow Russians tried to drink me under the table, and at the end of the day they were under the table, but when When Russians try to make a German drunk, that went well for them. So, Titanium. Let's see, fingers crossed. Yeah, surprisingly, I mean, people ask what changed. I mean, yeah, deletes. Okay, so Titanium, I guess it applied, right? I mean, yeah, I mean, Johnny and Frank and Dr. Schubert rebased it, right? So Shu got her. Yeah. What was that here? Oh, I scrolled this just wrong. Amazing. Then as we up the rest again. So let's delete the risk again. So this is not imported at all. Let's see. I think Frank applied some of my patches. Let's see which. Coding in a bar, yes, of course. Necessities for successful living. So maybe that was done. Let's see. Okay, that's also in. Let's see. That was all right. That was ACPI Thompson. What was that even? So this, I mean, what was it even? All right, this was it. I mean, it does apply, so we could also leave it there for now. By the way, how's audio? As we apparently regularly need to do that now. How's audio tonight? So I guess it was CPU frequency. With noisy you mean music? Alright, I think this is page size, that's also upstream. I mean, upstream in our Titanium, in our epic Titanium Linux. Don't people love background music? So wow. So then it's only like, this is why we do this after work, right? Building a successful, aspiring and inspiring code community. Good stuff, good stuff. The Scottish certainly know how to make their whiskey. Amazing. That basically means we are nearly there. I mean, the fan stuff is a little bit icing on the top of the cake here. So what have we? We have the exec mem. Okay, we could check the exec mem. The second file didn't apply. Let's see what they did there. Only one way to find out. I'm surprised. Should be music. I'm surprised you're not saying more music. I hate this. Why did I commit this? What does it say here? Have use git pull. The original version can't be fast forwarded. You need to either. Yeah, why don't you use git more? It's like you. Ah man, what a clusterfuck. Not a fan, not a fan. So, arch convert remaining overrides, not electric. So when was, wait, did we not, like, where are we here? Ah, this is the wrong one. I have too many. Allocate, populate for module tag as needed. So memory reserved module tag doesn't need to be back. Physical memory. Exec add support for cache of large rock pages. Using large pages, things, populate, VM, huge thing. Then remit, like, meh. Thanks, Microsoft. Okay, it's those things here. Fun. That truly makes module stuff even greater. Did this paste twice? Or yeah, let's make kernel text mapping stuff more complex. Why is Microsoft messing with mainstream like ones they have? I mean, contributing upstream is good, right? Like, so making upstream Linux greater. I mean, it's breaking my patch for. I mean, and you could say that's the right thing, right? I mean, the Linux Foundation mastermind certainly reviewed that. So you would think it has benefits of improved performance and stuff. Kuluk also hates Git. Yeah, I mean, I should. Yeah. Yeah, sure. If I would use Git daily, I would know by now, but maybe I should use Git more daily. What a time to be alive, you all. I guess as long as we can still get drunk, the world is still okay, I guess. Also, I wonder what precisely this error was. Maybe we broke something. Maybe we should actually check that. I saw this. Maybe we recently broke something. Package check some. Yeah. Strange. Somehow base is not set there. I will debug that another day. Okay, so Linux and then okay, that is nicely minimal. So this is just so probably the Microsoft people. I mean, yeah, it's of course the smallest thing. Which function even was it? So that is in default exec no error things that extract info default exec name or after init. So like 17ish. Yeah. Wait, what? So that is somewhere else now. I intentionally didn't use the eagle-eyed typo checkers. Might have read. I did intentionally not use fix file diff. So where did they move that? What's the only thing slightly annoying, but that's more probably software than a hardware issue, is that as multi-touch copy and paste stuff does. But somehow that's probably it's probably not hyperland. I mean, I wouldn't blame the Lenovo ThinkPad thing here. It's probably more a lip input, multi-touch recognition, gesture recognition thing. Wait a second, this is also... Wait, you know what? I think this was misleading actually. I think Git or whatever, I think this actually, wait, this was misleading. They have this twice now. It's not no coming in here. So if not MMU, then simply VMLOC size. Otherwise that code. So the question is now exec memcache populate. Okay, here they have that. But so they changed that here, right? So they have here huge. Then they have here they have default KMM. Here they have low line. So what was I remember this was a Spark issue. Alright, it was VM flush reset perms. Here. Here it was. So they changed this years ago, and this randomly breaks at least Spark. This is causing some sort of memory corruption, whatever thing. SVN, yeah, sure. Is that old school Unix div? So what do we have here? Was it only one? I thought it was 2 chunks. I mean, it's not so there, it's a little bit manually YOLO'd, but so what do we have here? So they yeah, I guess that should be. Yeah, the real test will be actually running this on Spark. We are sitting in a bar because internet trolls sent us 50 I believe 50 delivery. Oh no, I think 42 delivery services to the office yesterday. That is why. Hey, 0 frames. Yay. Alright, so that's the RISC-V thing. So yeah, we are basically done except the RISC-V. That was a productive after-work party. Live here from the capital of Europe or so. What did I do now? Press something or... What kind of? Pizza, burgers, soup, ramen, you name it. I didn't speak with all of the delivery people personally. At least Wi-Fi is better than in the bunker. Was it paid? No, they all wanted money from me. So what's going on here? Is that building? Tell me you're a building. I probably pressed something while lifting the... So yeah, cheers you all. We basically prepared, of course we're professionals. I said it before previously, I said the new .1, the 2020, 5 years ago, .1 was the new .0. And now basically .3 is the new .1, right? Meaning all the first releases usually have so many bugs and regressions that for professional deployment production stuff you probably want to wait for .2 or 3. So we will at least wait for .1. Yeah, exactly. We're doing something right. I mean, yeah, I hope. I don't know why. I mean, also often it's only the second time, only so far we only had the swatting in September and the 42 food deliveries yesterday. So it's only 2 times, also victory. But yeah, apparently too many idiots on this planet. Yeah, I didn't expect this to go that smoothly. Basically, just like this after work. Just like this after work. All your Linux updates are prepared. Cheers. What else did you always? Good to say, likes the chill stream. Happy to hear that. Chill with Thai, right? Unix stuff, very relaxed. Exactly. Exactly, you all. The thing is, if life gives you lemons or free pizza, make the best out of it, and what doesn't kill us makes us only stronger. So here is to 2025 and even more success. Shall even more success come all our way, and with all our, I mean you and me and all of us. Cheers. Here's to the crazy ones, the misfits, the troublemakers, the round pegs squeezing through the squared pegs squeezing through the round hole. Cheers, you all. Yeah, I also seeded more. Architectures to our new install technology. So, other OS system takeover, right? Curl, Dashless stuff, try it out. Let me know what works, what doesn't. I added, so yesterday when we got free pizza, I added a bunch, like RISC-V and PowerPC, 32-bit PowerPC, 64-bit PowerPC, ARM, 64, version 7. And today I added also PowerPC 64 Little Endian as well as Spark 64 32-bit userland. So basically Spark V8 plus Spark V9. What am I saying? I think it probably should be either Spark V9 or Spark V8 plus. Anyway, my point is I basically added all mainstream things. We will of course continue to add more like mipcel and mipcel. Maybe eventually all. Leave me in the comments below which one you want next. No, the pizza was not paid you. The pizza was not paid for you all. I wish it. I didn't ask. I did actually. Now that I think about this, I didn't. I mean, I only answered like 5 of. So I counted. It were pretty precisely 42 different restaurant numbers, and many called 2, if not 3, and some definitely 4 times. So it were probably 200 calls of people who wanted to get into the office to deliver us pizza, ramen, burger, who knows what stuff. And thanks for the resubscription, Schanzen. Where are you? The best bar of Berlin, in the heart of Europe. I am trolling the trolls, because if people troll me, I troll harder. They thought they found an unsuccessful loser to troll, but they underestimate my resourcefulness. You all. Because the one who laughs last loves the best. Especially with good Scottish whiskey for you all. If it's like Domino's, don't think they can send it before paid. Yeah, they misuse good old European systems that they deliver. I mean they could also. Next time someone comes, I will ask, is it paid? And spread it all. You know what? That is very clever. Next trick. But of course, we will not live stream from the office anymore for superior trolling and life quality of life improving reasons. Also, something failed. That's unfortunate. But if ever I get food delivery, I will ask, is it paid? But is it paid? And if it's paid, I will bring it to the homeless here around the corner. That is actually an additional good life hack. Thanks for the question. I didn't think to ask. To be fair. So what's failing you all? Oh wait, I think that's the wrong directory. I think I switched for seeding all the ISOs. I switched back to 20, like just temporarily on my like working copy change. So that would be Linux here. I remember named Orinoco. Oh, that's unfortunate. Release named wireless data. Okay, more work for us to do. That's unfortunate. So that was long deleted upstream. So yeah, so much to you keep deleted code around forever. Field has incompatible type struct IW public data. Node forward declaration of struct. That's unfortunate. However, so that is because we reverted drivers. Let's see how many more. So at least we still have something to work on while we still have some droplets of whiskey left. Let's disable it. So of course we will try to make it work, but maybe not tonight. Is this not Orinoco? Which one was it then? I thought it will be easy to find net wireless. Interseal, maybe it's Interseal. Orinoco Interseal. Maybe it's called Interseal then. Because of course it is, right? Or maybe it's also Hermes or Prism or who knows what. Yeah, I guess. Wait. We want to build it like this here. I guess they really want to. Yeah. I could. Yeah. Did I post? Actually, not. Let me just post something. I posted it to our Discord. Let me troll for more trolling. As I was, that's my wrong phone. Wait. That is the wrong phone where I don't have that photo. Because real hackers have two phones, right? An Android burner and an iPhone burner thing for necessities, for gracious living. I have here also select more photos. I have here also, so yeah, there goes that. There goes because being like in which do we post that? Like maybe Square. For better visuals. Because Instagram posts want to be Square, right? Nothing like being at the police station and be like, hey, have you seen this guy? It's like, dear, what? You had one job, but hey, have you seen this guy? Just some billions missing. It's like, yeah. So if you have seen this guy, the German police would like some tip. I have a step. Actually, I'm not using supermarket apps, you all. Life hack. I like once, like 10 years ago, I never was I never was a fan of this payback shit. But 10 years ago, I had a payback card, and I even don't like. I only used it briefly, but yeah, that is too stupid data gathering for me. Life hack, if we would all refuse the supermarket and payback apps, there would not be supermarket and payback apps. Why is that? Did I disable that wrong? So let's see how many, because we might have other wireless drivers there that we patch back. So maybe this is an easy fix. We will see, like maybe tomorrow. Also, where should we live stream from tomorrow? This might have been Clang LTO. Yeah, we patched back some old Wi-Fi drivers, so because obviously we want our Wi-Fi things to work. also think that would obviously be much better with a multi-server microkernel with stable APIs. You know, write once, use it for years, not write once, change it every week and cause regressions. The Twitch app is confusing you all, guys. Like, who designs this? The Twitch app is also a real usability disaster. Like, those people who designed this app, you all. I don't know. Okay, so we have one RISC-V pulse width modulation driver to rebase, as well as at least Orinoco for good old. I mean, this is so silly, right? This were recurrently silliness. If I would find here my share the login details. I mean, yeah, I think the supermarket apps, but I mean, I also lifehack. I'm obviously that cheap that I buy offers. So but I don't need a supermarket app for this, right? I mean, even without supermarket apps, stuff is still on sale. So obviously, lifehack from an unsuccessful software developer. Obviously, I also buy on sale stuff. Like, obviously, if there is some cheese, then I get the one on sale, because why not? Like, I'm not like such a snowflake of like, I need this one brand of cheese thing. And like, I find also pasta, like, at least, sure, so no name pasta is like pasta, like noodles, is still similar 2 years ago, so much too. Inflation, yeah, mostly big name brands, right? And I'm totally disgusted by this Barilla is this Italian Barilla noodle pasta brand. I think in 10 years they doubled the price. I remember 10 years ago the noodles costed €1, and now they cost 2. Sometimes, or like, sure, 10 years maybe they costed €1.09. Now they cost €2.09. But basically, so I refuse. So vote with your wallet. I refuse to buy Barilla spaghetti and stuff, pasta, for €2.09. And the thing is, sometimes they are on sale, even with apps. So obviously, I'm so cheap, I buy stuff on sale. And when this bloody Barilla noodles are on sale, just recently they have been on sale for, I believe, 99 cents or one. Like, basically, and that's the thing. The companies still make profit when they put the stuff on sale for 50% off. Maybe it was €1.09 instead of €2.09 or €2.19. And then I buy just 10 things. Like, basically, we have noodle stock of pastas for basically 1 year in stock, because I always buy it. There is a discount. I always buy 10 boxes. I don't need a supermarket app for that. So, yeah, crowd intelligence. Yeah, that's with people like Trump and Musk. Crowd intelligence probably ain't happen anytime soon anymore. Same here. I don't see any case where I should support Solidity. Pay for people. I don't know. Yeah, pay for us though. Share, like, and subscribe. Where are all the hype trains? Where are all the emotes? Where are all the flashy chat messages? Where's all the free pizza, you all? Most sales, no, that's not true. I mean, yeah, at some stores, but even the stores with this bloody app like Netto and Lidl, I obviously noticed that. I mean, hey, I'm a poor open source developer. Cheers. Here. But even those chains that have this bloody app, they still have sales. Like only a small percentage of discounts require this app. And I know I just yesterday shopped. Yeah, some sales. I mean, they have some. I noticed many chains have some persuading people converting special offers. Yeah. Scrambled egg curry for €1. Die Gewinnmarge wird zwar kleiner, aber die produzieren riesige Mengen, was wieder das Geld reinholt. So yeah, anyway, I only like stuff that I recognized, that is stuff that I recognize that I personally feel doubled in price for no good reason, like this Barilla Italian noodles I only buy on sale. And if I ever run out of stock of 50% off noodles, I simply buy off brands. So where were we? That's why I brought 100 chocolate bars when it was. Yeah, so I hear you, just with chocolate bars. I did this recently. I mean, Rittersport is also such a brand, right? And Rittersport anyway, since the managing director said, we still sell to Russia because Russian kids also want chocolate. Since then, this company is on my blacklist anyway, on my disapproved list. But Rittersport is also such a company that I personally feel doubled the price in 10 years. And that also has often sales for 45% off. But the problem with that is, I tried this. I hear you. I tried this. I recently brought 5 Rittersport when they were on sale. Hey, I only brought 5 instead of 100. But I've eaten them too fast, so I'm not sure if I can. Yeah, Ritter's overrated. Yeah, but still, yeah. It's overrated and it's on my disapproved list since still paying taxes in Russia and financing Putin's war machine. So I guess that was it here. The whiskey is nearly over. Thanks to the Scottish. So what do you want to hear next? What is the future of this live stream? Getting drunk? Partying? Trolling? Microkernel language design? Or just dancing until the sun goes up? Berghain has a no photo policy, right? So I can't, I don't think Berghain, unless I ask the owner if I can live stream when it's closed. Otherwise, it's a no photo zone. Anyway, micro kernel on a Berghain toilet. I think I prefer this place. I'm not Elon Musk, you all, or Trump for that matter. So long and thanks for the whiskey. Still need some subscribers here, so where are all the subscribers when you need them? We could so, does it scale? That does scale. The camera is quite a bit potato-ish, right? So yeah, this is not. This might also be locked. This is not rec. Does it work here or need higher quality you all? Yeah. So much for the quality. Yeah, what a time to be alive. You can even freaking live stream from a bloody T2 Linux. Who would have thought? Who would have thought in 1991 that there were the day of desktop Linux and live streaming like Louis Rossmann, or actually no, I take this back. Live streaming like Casey Neistat, right? Oh wait, does it even? Ah yeah, you don't even see this nice settings. You don't even see this nice settings. So, what's up you guys? Spent an hour today looking for a way to run patch without returning an error code when diff is already applied. Quieterno, Miklo, I didn't touch, I'm not I mean, I don't know, maybe it became quieter. Manual. Maybe that's too many. So, do we end it here or should I take you outside Berlin too? Berlin sightseeing at night for viewer. Enticing, maybe get some sleep. I'm just joking while I wait for something. Because obviously this is business expenses, right? They need to go print my receipt. Professionals like Louis Rossmann and Casey Neistat. Because if you video produce it, everything becomes, danke sehr, business expense. Yeah. Last pro tip here. If you run a business, everything becomes business expense. That's it for tonight, I guess. Looking forward to your tips. How do you like it? Should we do it more often? Leave me in the comments below. Drop it in our Discord. Send some patches. Send some help. Share, like, and subscribe. Linux kernel 6.13 coming to T2 after the first .1 or .2 with the last Wi-Fi patches rediffed, and yeah, was nice having a after work party with you guys, and see you next time, I guess, huh? Actually, we still have an outro. I could have been smarter and played the outro song, right? Why does the play button not work? Is it not touch enabled?
In the basement of despair, they plot their bitter war. Crumbs and soda cans litter the floor. Spitting venom in the dark, masters of their pain. Every hateful word's a link in their chain. They thrive on the chaos, they feed on the fear, but their pathetic little lives disappear. No friends, no future, just rage to sell. Building their bridges straight to hell. Rotting in the hatred, drowning in their lies. Pathetic little trolls, the joke they despise. No one's even watching, no one's keeping score. Keyboard warriors, losers to the core. They dream they're invincible, cloaked in their screens, spewing their filth, their words obscene. But the law's creeping closer, the noose is tight. Justice has an IP. Good night, good night. Click clack goes the keyboard, their weapon of choice. A chorus, a failure, a pitiful